Oh, welcome back. Matic rally gathers speed as Meta announces Polygon-powered NFTs and chart signals Golden Cross. What is a Golden Cross? It's very good for trading. So let's take a look in the deep dive. Matic has rallied 30% in the last 2 days, reaching a 6-month high of $1.15 on Friday, according to CoinDesk. So how long do you think this will go on? Matic has rallied since, despite lingering concerns about the global economy, investors are ready to snap on coins of positive fundamental developments that promise to be increased. All right, so Matic is a blockchain. It's an interoperability blockchain. Let's move right on. All right, Moonvember kicks off with sweeping staff layoffs across crypto. So we're seeing this happen on Coinbase and Binance, and a lot of them are laying off between 10 and 20% of their staff. All right, Dash to Trade. If you've seen some of my earlier videos, you've seen I made a video on Dash to Trade, smashing through $4.5 million with their price rise very imminent. Now, I'm going to put some links to the pre-sale below in the comments that if you want to purchase one of these pre-sales, remember you do need some sort of MetaMask wallet or Pancake swaps that you can actually get these tokens. And all right, how do you, okay, there's a nifty tax loophole. What it is basically sell all your crypto at a loss and then just buy it right back, okay? And then just hold it over the new year. And so you'll accrue the loss that you can write up as much as $3,000 a year against your ordinary income. Huge advice. And then finally, the IRS is preparing for an increase in crypto cases in the upcoming tax season. I guess this is going to really depend on how we vote in the midterm elections. If the Republicans win, this will be probably repealed because they aren't going to have all those IRS agents that they really wanted to. But you need to report your crypto payments. All right, I hope you found this very useful and helpful. And as always, have a wonderful and blessed day. And as always, please subscribe. It really does help the channel out.